Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can close a BMO bank account. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Before starting, make sure that your account balance is zero and any automatic payments are redirected. This will help you close your account safely and avoid extra fees. So first, you will log into your BMO online banking or visit a branch, and then next you will go to your account services and then you will click close account or speak with a banker in person. And after that, you will verify your identity with your account information and an ID, and then you will confirm that all pending transactions are cleared. And finally, just submit the closure request and keep any confirmation from your record for your records. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.